If you live in Georgia and you know you need to get your estate planning in place, the biggest challenge is usually not understanding why it matters. It's knowing where to start. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a simple step-by-step checklist so you know exactly what to do first and how to move forward with confidence. Step 1 is to get clear on what you own and who you want to protect. Start by identifying your key assets, your home, bank accounts, retirement accounts, life insurance, and anything else of value. Then think about the people in your life. Who should receive your assets? Who would you trust to make decisions for you if you couldn't? And if you have minor children, who would you want to serve as their guardian? Taking a few minutes to think through these questions puts you well ahead of most people. Step 2 is to decide who will be in charge. Every estate plan includes people you appoint to carry out your wishes. In Georgia, this typically means choosing an executor to handle your affairs after death, a trustee if you use a trust, and individuals to serve under a financial power of attorney and an advance directive for health care if you become incapacitated. Choosing responsible, trustworthy people who are willing to serve is one of the most important parts of the process. Step 3 is to understand which documents you actually need. For most people in Georgia, a complete estate plan includes a will, and in many cases, a living trust, along with a financial power of attorney and an advance directive for health care. The right combination depends on your situation, but the key point is this: estate planning is not just about what happens after you pass away, it's also about protecting you during your lifetime. And in Georgia, having these documents properly prepared can make a significant difference in how smoothly things are handled for you and your family. Step 4 is to organize your information. Start gathering basic details like account information, property details, beneficiary designations, and contact information for the people you've chosen. You don't need to have everything perfect, but having your information in one place makes the entire process much easier, especially when you begin working with an estate planning attorney. Step 5 is to take action and put your plan in place. This is where you move from thinking about estate planning to actually completing it. For most people, that means working with an experienced Georgia estate planning attorney who understands state-specific laws and can guide you through the process. The important thing is not to wait, because without a plan, Georgia law will determine what happens, and that may not align with your wishes or your family's needs. Here's the bottom line. Getting started with estate planning in Georgia doesn't have to be overwhelming. If you follow these steps, understand what you have, choose the right people, learn what documents you need, organize your information, and take action, you can move forward with clarity and confidence. The most important step is simply to begin.